I created all this design using just AI, 100% free, no skill needed. Yes, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a quality and attractive design using just AI. And all you need is just the right prompt. And I'm going to be teaching you how to generate this prompt also. For you to do this, just head over to your Chatgpt. As you can see, here's my Chatgpt. Now I want to design a flyer that I'll use to run my Facebook ads. You understand? So now I know what I want to create, but I don't know how to write the prompt properly for ChatGPT to design exactly what I want for me. You understand? So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write my own prompt in my own understanding. Then I'll ask ChatGPT to view that prompt, analyze that prompt, and optimize the prompt for me very well. I'll ask ChatGPT to follow the prompt that I write, and then I'll ask ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer. Now watch me as I will do it. First, I'm going to type my own prompt the way I understand it. Do you understand? Now let's go. Create a professional, create a promotional, a professional look. Okay guys, so this is my own prompt. As you can see, here's my own prompt, the way I understand this design. You understand? This is what I want. Here is my own prompt. Create a professional flyer design for a Facebook ads training course. Okay, now here's my own prompt. But one thing is that I'm not sure if I ask ChatGPT to generate this flyer for me, to make this design for me, it will not give me exactly what I want, because this prompt is not as good the way it's supposed to be. Do you understand? So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to ask ChatGPT to follow this my prompt, review this prompt, and act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt for me. Now watch me the way I'm going to write it. Okay, as you can see, now see what I say. Now after I write my own prompt, I tell ChatGPT to follow this my prompt, act as a prompt engineer, and optimize this prompt in a better way for me to get a better result. So with this, ChatGPT is going to write another version of this my prompt. ChatGPT is going to follow this my prompt and write another version, a better version that it will understand in order for me to get the result that I want. So now just go ahead and hit OK. Okay, now ChatGPT have optimized my prompt for me in a better way. So now I'm going to copy this one that ChatGPT generate, this prompt. Now this is the one that I'm going to copy, and then I'll paste it on ChatGPT in order for me to create the design. Do you understand? So now just go ahead and copy it. Now I've copied the prompt. Now we are going to paste this prompt, and ChatGPT will generate the design for us. Do you understand? So now just go ahead and paste this prompt. Do you understand? So now I'll paste the prompt. Try to edit some things there. Okay, something that you don't want. Here's the deal, like this one, try to delete it. Okay, so now remove the part that's not supposed to be there, and then hit OK. Okay, now let's watch and see what ChatGPT is going to create for us. Okay guys, as you can see, look at the design. This is so good, handsome. Do you understand? Remember, we used the new version of the prompt that I write, which was written by ChatGPT. Do you understand? So this is basically how you can do this very well. So now let's try another example so you understand better. So I want to create a banner, a food flyer for a restaurant. So I'm going to write my own prompt now. Then I'll tell ChatGPT to analyze my prompt, review my prompt, and optimize my prompt very well. So ChatGPT will write a new version of my prompt very well, and then I'll copy that one that ChatGPT writes. Then I'll repaste it on ChatGPT to create exactly the design. Design a food clean look. Okay guys, so here's my own prompt. Look at it, read it. Design a food promotional banner with the following feature: background, a vertical red gradient. So now this is my own prompt. Do you understand? But I'm not sure about this prompt. If I write this prompt, I'm not going to get what I want. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to ask ChatGPT to review my prompt, analyze my prompt, and optimize my prompt in a better way. So ChatGPT will write a new version of my prompt. Using another version that ChatGPT will write, I'm going to get a better result that I want. So see what I'm going to write. So see what I asked ChatGPT to do with my prompt. Follow this my prompt, review this prompt, act as a prompt engineer, write a better version of this my prompt so I can get a better result. So with this, ChatGPT will write a new version of my prompt very well. Then I'll copy that one and then I'll paste it, and then ChatGPT will generate a better design for me. So let's see the one that ChatGPT is going to write. So as you can see now, ChatGPT have write a new version of my prompt for me. So I'm going to copy this one now. Click here and then go ahead and copy it. So now with the new prompt that ChatGPT write, I'm going to come here. I've copied it. I'm going to come here and paste it. So this is the new one that ChatGPT write. I'm going to come here and paste it. I'm going to paste this new prompt that ChatGPT write and then click OK. Now ChatGPT will generate the image for me now. Okay, here we go. As you can see, look at it, look at that. So ChatGPT have done the magic. Look at that, look at that. So this is the design. Remember, this is the new version of prompt generated by ChatGPT. When ChatGPT analyzed my own prompt, that is the one that I copied and pasted for ChatGPT to create it for me. Now I get what I want. Perfect, this is what I want and I got it. Do you understand? So this is the reason why, if you are not sure of your prompt, tell ChatGPT to analyze and act as a prompt engineer and write a new version of that your prompt. With that, ChatGPT will write a new version of your prompt very well for you, and then you get the result that you want instead of it to be re-editing, editing and re-editing. Do you understand? So another easiest way to design using ChatGPT is that, let me say you see a design and then you like the design, then upload the design. Then after you upload the design, tell ChatGPT to analyze the design and write a prompt of that particular design for you, and then ChatGPT will write a prompt of that design for you, then copy it and then paste it for ChatGPT to create exact type of design for you. Do you understand? And another way is that you can just upload the design and then tell ChatGPT to recreate exactly the type of design for you, exactly that type of design. Then ChatGPT will recreate the same type of design for you. That's another easiest way also. Instead of to write prompt, just upload it direct. Tell ChatGPT to recreate that design for you. Then change anything, edit anything that you want to write. But if you want to edit something, just write it. Oh, if I want to change this guy on this design, I can just go ahead. I'll tell ChatGPT, remove this guy, upload your own picture. Like this, I can upload another picture again. I'll tell ChatGPT, okay, use this picture that I'm going to upload instead of this guy. Do you understand? You can just make some changes. Tell ChatGPT, create exact the same type of design, but use this my image instead of this guy image. Do you understand? ChatGPT will remove this guy and put your own image for you. Do you understand? I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube and like the video. And if you are watching from Facebook, Instagram, I do highly recommend you to please follow us and like the video. Remember, your engagement is what keeps us creating. As per usual, friend, hand to head, salute.